Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Are you ready for Bitcoin Cash? Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Get easy profits. You will join a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, an automated system with 200 altcoins, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Are you ready for what BCH is going to do? Of course, we are going to talk about the short term and the midterm. What is the midterm? It is more than 1 week, maybe going into a year. Whenever I talk about midterm, I always talk about 1, 2 to 3 months around there. Okay, short term is until 1 week. So right now we are going to see all the time frames. Do not worry about that. Many people think that this is not a good triangle, but what is happening right now is that this is an ascending triangle. Okay, what is an ascending triangle? It consists of a higher prior movement, you can see that right here, okay, and the same highs with higher lows. Of course, this BCH is going to break above this triangle and we are going to see next targets. So be ready for that, but I do not have only good news about the short term. I do not have only good news about BCH going higher in the short-term time frame in the next few days. I'm talking about, and I will talk about, the next few weeks. What do we have right here for BCH? First of all, let's see the monthly frame. On the monthly frame, as you all know, we had, and I was talking about it from February, we had bottom tweezers. These same lows, this is a very strong pattern, especially if you see it on the monthly frame. You realize that whenever you see the higher time frame, actually, you see that the more the percentage it pumps, but a little bit later. Okay, so what it will do, it will increase steadily and slowly higher and higher, possibly reaching even higher than the 500 USDT. Yes, that's right. If you see the video after 1, 2, 3 months from the time we make it, then be sure to check it out again and be sure to write a comment in the description box, okay? But anyway, we are going to get even higher. We are going to break above from this ascending triangle that we are having right now. The reason that we struggle is the BCH against Bitcoin chart. Right here you can see that this is the reason that we are struggling. We cannot seem to go higher right now, but sooner or later, actually BCH will be going higher as well against Bitcoin. It will outperform Bitcoin and therefore it will make a higher high than this line right here. This was the start of the breakout. We corrected after a very crazy pump for BCH against Bitcoin chart, 26%. Okay, we will just get restarted. Do not worry about that. Also, for BCH against Bitcoin chart, something that I rarely see on the monthly frame. First of all, what we are doing is we are forming, and trust me on that, a round bottom pattern. Okay, we have seen that multiple times where the price is getting further down and down until it will just crazily pump. And why do we form that? Do we have any reason to believe that? Yes, we have another reason. Monthly bullish RSI divergence confirmed. This is something crazy, people. This is something that I have never seen before. Actually, I have seen it only one time. I do not remember when, but monthly bullish RSI is crazy to happen. And you will soon see probably a very crazy pump in just 1 month, maybe the same like we had back on 1st April 2021, maybe more. Okay, so be prepared about what's coming in the next months for BCH against Bitcoin chart, BCH against USDT. Right now it is struggling due to the fact that we are not seeing a breakout yet from BCH against Bitcoin chart. This is the reason we are struggling right now. We are not seeing BCH against Bitcoin breaking above, getting the outbreak, but we will soon see that as well. Next price targets for BCH against Bitcoin chart would be these ones right here, the 0.2082 82.6, sorry, and the 0.20842. All right, so the next price target should be these ones right there. I think that we are going to achieve them maybe today. I'm not sure about that. Okay, this is just a little bit biased, but yeah, on the next days, we are going surely there. Okay, in the meantime, BCH against USDT is mainly going higher due to Bitcoin chart right now, but it has to move alone. And I think from the time that we see these higher levels, then BCH will be able to break from this ascending triangle. Soon we are going to see that. And soon we are going to see BCH exploding into the next targets. First of all, why do we have a little bit of a sell pressure? We are near at the 20-day exponential moving average. That's why you're seeing a little bit BCH struggling, but in overall, what are we going to do is something that I call it insane. We are going first to achieve the 440 USDT, then we are going to 500, and we are going to 552 on to the next weeks. This is not going to happen probably on the short term. Okay, I'm just talking about the next weeks, maybe next few months. Okay, this is a nice 42%. I'm not sure whether when it will explode, whether it can just potentially go crazy. I'm not sure about that, but to be honest with you, I feel like we are going to see a crazy explosion, and we are going probably very soon into the 440. For the other targets right there, I'm not so sure about it. We are going to wait and see when we are going there, but BCH against USDT will explode as well. This is the start of something more impulsive, and if you think that we are going to struggle on the 20-day MA, you are definitely wrong. We are not. Do not worry about that. We are going to keep continuing having this higher low pattern on the weekly frame, and of course right now into this week BCH has been struggling, but we haven't closed the weekly yet. So maybe into the Friday, Saturday, Sunday we go more bullish and we just go higher and get a nice impulsive wave mode. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/mindyourcrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.